welcome back to another video. I'm doing two today. I'm using the long almond shape because I like these because they give us just a little bit more surface area. So I'm going to paint them white to have a base coat on. It's already got a base gel on, so enjoy the speed run. And back. If you've noticed, I haven't coloured this back bit in because that part is part of this, as you can see clearly there. So I'll be back because I'm going to cure these first and I'm going to show you what colours I'm going to use next, because I'm only going to focus on one nail at a time. I just thought I'll do the white first and then I'll put the colours on top. So I'll be back. And I'm back. We'll focus on one nail at a time, remember. I've got the other one curing at the moment, so I can focus on this one. For this colour, this one, I'm going to put this dark blue. It does have some glitteriness to it, and I thought this would be nice. So, I don't know if you can see where I'm going with this. So, it's got some glitter there, you can just see the glitterness there. So, enjoy another speed run once this focus. There we go. And I'm back, and I'm going to zoom you in, and I'm going to move this across a little bit. Now you can see why I've put that white base down, so you can clearly see the top. So while that's curing, I'm going to do the second one. And this one's going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to check that it's cured properly. Which seems to be to me. I might be wrong. No, it's not cured. That's alright. So that's the dark blue one in for curing. So this one I'm going to use a nice light blue colour, and I'm only going to do just a little bit of it. So I'm just going to do just like that. That's why I'm not worried if some of it is not cured. I'm just going to do all of it. I think it'll look better in the end of what I'm going for. And for this one, I do want it to be a bit blotchy. So I'm just going to take this across, and I'm going to go grab a bigger brush. So I'm going to use this fanning one I've got. I'm just going to wipe it off. I want it to look like this. Just like this. Just like that. That is exactly the way I'm going for it. I am going to get these glitter out here. I must have just accidentally dabbed my brush in glitter. So for that, I'm just going to grab this little paintbrush, this little brush. I'm going to try my best to get all the glitter out. And now, I'm going to go back with this fine one again. I'm just going to brush it out. There we go. And now there's no glitter on it, and if there is, I can easily cover that. So I'm going to let the dark one cure again, and I'll be back once the dark blue glittery one is done. And I'm back. This is fully cured now. I'm just putting the second one in now. And so I'm going to take this white gel polish again from Beetles. Everything I use from Beetles. I'm just going to dab a little right there, and I'll show you in a minute where I've dabbed it. So I'm zoomed in. Just on this little palette, I'm going to call it. I'm going to rest my hand on it like that. I'm going to dip just a little. I'm just going to wipe some of it off. Dip a little bit more. I'm just going to grab this. See what I'm doing. And I'm just going to draw the best I can a little moon. Just going to fill this in. Yeah, I like that. I like how that's turned out. Now I'm just going to gently just make sure it's all white and not all just like that. Just no more than that. I'm not going to mess around with it anymore, because if I kept messing around with it, I'll end up messing it up. So I'm just going to wipe my little palette that I use. That's it for the palette, and I'm going to bring in the stars. I'm going to zoom these out a little bit, just like that. And I'm going to put my joint sealant. Some joint sealant, my little rings, my little gems, and my wax pencil, which I have sharpened and flattened that so it's easier to grab these. So I'm just going to dot these around, and the theme is moon and stars on this nail. So I'm going to just push that up there, it's still here. So I'm just going to create little dots, not too much. Just little dots like that. I'm just going to place them randomly. I'm going to put the lid back onto here. I'm just going to grab a dot. I'm going to start off with white. Put the white there. So I'm going to zoom these in so you can see. Just like that. Just my camera. Just like that. Some more light. I'm going to grab the yellow. I'm just going to place a yellow here. I'm going to place another yellow over here. Another yellow down here, and the rest I'm going to fill up with white. And I'm not going to do that one with white. I'm going to bring out a light blue, just a little light blue one from my little box. I'm going to place this one right here. Then a little light blue one to act like the northern star. So I'm going to cure this because this nail polish needs to be cured, and so there's sealant. And now I'm going to bring that white in with the hint of light blue in it, which is not being picked up by the camera very well. This on. This goes on for 60 seconds under the flash cure until I get a lamp. Now this one, I do need to bring out, I do need to zoom this out a little bit. And this one is only just going to get a circle on it. And this is going to act like the sun. I'm just going to grab this nice pale yellow. Just like that, just this pale yellow. Why does the sticker look brighter than what it is? See, compared to that and that, why does it look brighter? So I'm just going to swirl it around. this. And I'm just going to make a nice, just a nice giant blob. Just a nice giant circle. Just like that. Now I'm just going to put an extra bit of polish on. Just like that. Doesn't look like a circle like that on there, so I'm going to bring it out a little bit. And there's the sun. I'm going to see if I can find a gem to put on. It's just having a circle on there doesn't look very nice to me. So for this one, I don't know what to pick. I've got that many gems. I don't know. What's this one? What's a butterfly? It's a heart. Yeah. That's it. So I do apologise for another jump. So I've decided, after looking, to choose this one. Nice little butterfly. So I'm just going to put that right there. Yeah. I quite like that. So I'm going to put this under. So I'm just going to use me sealant again. I'm just going to put a nice medium-ish blob. Just like that. Try and put the thing back in there. And that. There we go. Put the lid back on. Yeah. Grab me wax pencil again. Just stab it, and I'm going to place it on a nice little angle like that. Just like that. And I really like that. Now that's been cured, so this is going to go for curing for 60 seconds. So that's under for curing, and now this one is going to get a top coat. So as the second one's going to get a top coat. So I'll put the top gel on. I call it a top coat. So this one's going to go all over, just like that. Just like that. I can't believe I just said that twice. Edit this out. Right. And that is how shiny it's going to look. So once that one's cured, I'm going to take. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. This is almost done. I'll show you them both together before I put the top gel on this one. And that's them both together. Sun and moon. Night and day. Night and day. Or a fried egg with a butterfly. So I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you would like to see. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.